This question belongs to Digital Logic Design subject and was asked in GATE 1987. The topic name is DRAM, which is dynamic RAM. So the question states the refreshing rate if a dynamic RAM is in the range of 2 microseconds, 2 milliseconds, 50 milliseconds, or 500 milliseconds. So it's basically a question which you need to learn. You need to pre-know it. So first, let me tell you the logic of what is this refreshing rate meaning. So what happens is that we have a RAM, or we can say a DRAM. So what happens is how data is stored. Data is basically stored. Each bit is basically stored as a charge, and it is retained using a capacitor. And as we know, as time passes, this charge on the memory will start leaking, and thus the data which was stored as a charge on the chip will start losing the data. So we have an external circuit. So what this circuit does is that it basically reads each memory cell, the charge over there, and then rewrites it immediately so that we can retain the charge in the capacitor, so that we will be able to retain the data. So what's the refreshing rate? So if you want to read, you can basically find out a document regarding this. So it's basically a patent which is available on this link. You can basically go to this link, https://patents.google.com. This is the patent number, and the topic name is Dynamic Random Access Memory Refresh Circuit Selectively Adapted to Different Clock Frequencies. Here you can see in this line it's written, a row of dynamic RAM memory is refreshed during each memory access by the refresh circuit so that during a 2 millisecond interval all the dynamic RAM memory is refreshed. So here it's written 2 millisecond. So the option is 2 milliseconds. Option B is correct. So basically you need to pre-know this value, but the logic I have explained you, the refreshing logic is the same, and you need to pre-know this 2 millisecond value.